I can't wait to see what you'll build today. Where to now? Forward leads to Tidmouth. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Excellent! That's the way! We all love your train set. Where to now? Right, to Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's perfect! That's perfect! Good job! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which way do you want to go? Left. Forward leads to... Forward leads to... Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Super! That's awesome! We all love your train set.